We're burning through the night. From the darkness out in the light, I can see us rise up, going all the way to the top. They're calling out, calling out, calling out.
We're gonna flip the coin and be together. Heads or tails? Tails. If tails, you can choose whether you want to go first or let Timo go first. It's how it lands on here, okay? Tails for Peter, heads for Timo. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, let's go. Tails! So, you would like Timo to hit you first. Okay, so Timo, are you aware of the rules, or would you like us to go through them again? The rule is here.
You want to make sure we hit from here to here. Go high, and definitely go low.
That's right. Let me give an example to Ali on when not to hit somebody. So do not hit them here, okay? Here to here, okay? Are you ready, folks? Are you ready? Okay, so toe the line, and it'll be one punch each, and we'll keep going. No surrender. We will not stop until there's a winner. Okay, time on. When you're ready, Peter.
Okay, gentlemen, on 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
How is he still standing after that one? Okay, Peter, on 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Takes it like a champ over it. We will now keep on going until somebody surrenders. Time on.
Let's go, Timo. 1, 2, 3.
A big shot for Timo! Peter is still standing on 3. To the line. 1, 2, 3. When you're ready, Timo. 10 more seconds.
Very impressive there. Keep it in. More time on
5, 4. Are you ready? Okay, Peter.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
A big shot! The African Steel, Houdini himself, has been resurrected on 3. 1, 2, 3. A big shot!
How is Timo still standing? Come on, Timo, still standing now.
Takes it like a champ.
Line yourself up. Wind it up. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
How is the man still standing? We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. The beauty of the shot. Timo is not hurt. A beautiful shot, but he's still in it. How are you feeling, Timo?
It was a great thing, but it's like I was saying, so next time I'm going to do it for the more times.
You want to keep going? Or do you want to call it quits?
But this time, next time, I'm going to try it again for the 6 months. Let's go!
Peter,